It was thousands of years ago in the barren desert of Mecca that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala called upon our father Ibrahim alayhi salam to construct the sacred house and to perform the sacred ritual of the Hajj. And then it was thousands of years later that Allah answered the prayer of Ibrahim alayhi salam in our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam to revive the Hajj for all times. And we are the answer to the prayer of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in maintaining the sanctity of this ritual and the sanctity of these days. In these days, as we exert ourselves with all sorts of good deeds that our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us, we invite you to spend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala so that we may all further ourselves along this journey and draw closer to Him.